DUALi Reader Firmware Update Manual. 1. Introduction. This manual provides instructions for updating the firmware of a DUALi reader to other versions vendor, CCID, or HID. 2. Check current firmware version. Connect the device to your PC. Click Connect. Check the currently installed firmware version. 3. Firmware update procedure. BIOS to vendor version. Click Firmware file open and select the vendor firmware file. Click Firmware file down to upload the vendor firmware. Vendor to CCID version. Click Firmware file open and select the CCID firmware file. Click Firmware file down to upload the CCID firmware. CCID to HID version. Click Firmware file open and select the HID firmware file. Click Firmware file down to upload the HID firmware. 4. Verify HID operation. After the HID firmware update is successful, open Notepad or any text editor. Place an RF card on the reader. UID of the card should automatically appear as keyboard input. Thank you for watching.